Om Shanti. Now, Brahma Kumaris are conducting many projects in the area of holistic development, that is, development of the mind towards positivity, as well as helping to bring back the nature to its original beauty. All of us know at one point of time we used to call this whole world as a heaven or a golden age or a paradise, and at that point of time there was greenery everywhere. There was a beautiful harmony between humanity and mankind. We all know that in the hermitages where the sages did their penance, over there the animals, the nature, and the human beings, all of them were living in harmony. But if we look at the present scenario, it is disharmony everywhere. And the reason for this disharmony is the disharmony in the human minds. So the Brahma Kumaris Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya is specially working for bringing about harmony among the human hearts. And this process it is doing by helping people to understand who they are originally. And for this, meditation classes are being done by the Brahma Kumaris organization. In Hyderabad, we have a very beautiful campus called Shanti Sarovar, called as Academy for a Better World. And in this sprawling campus, we are doing many programs on stress management, programs on Raj Yoga meditation, on positive thinking. And all over the globe, the Brahma Kumaris are presently doing a project called Billion Minutes Good Wishes Bank. Because presently, to bring harmony among people, what is required is we need to have good wishes for one another. And to bring good wishes for one another, we are doing this project and we are asking people to donate in terms of time. This project is going on until 15th of August. This project will go on, and we aim to collect around 100 crore of good wishes from all over the world. The people, we are aiming to collect these good wishes. Another project which the Brahma Kumaris is doing is called as Green the Earth and Clean the Mind. I think all of you are surely thinking that the present condition of humanity or this present destruction of nature which is taking place is very deeply related to the state of human mind. Gandhiji has said that there is enough on the earth for human needs, for everyone needs, but there is not enough for any one person's greed. And in this condition, because of a lot of greed around, people are cutting trees and the nature is being completely, totally, the nature is being harmed. And therefore, in this condition, to serve the nature also, we are doing this project of clean the mind, make it more pure, become benevolent in nature, and also green the earth. So we are doing a lot of plantations also around.